Hi everyone, I'm Nancy. Welcome to watch my video. This time I will introduce another examination exercise. The name of this exercise is Meng Jiang Nu. This is in ancient China. There was a lady. In order to find her husband, and then cried under the Great Wall, crossing the Great Wall to falling down. So this song, the technique is use an octave, two finger together, an octave. And another finger technique is less than an octave, it's the interval. You must remember the melody is on your thumb. So plug the two strings must the same power. If your index is more power, then the melody may be changed. For example, the melody is so mi re do. If your index is give more power, we will change to the re do la so, for example. Okay, I will play this song first. I divided this song into three parts, A, B, and C. A part has 2 sentences, and B part also 2 sentences, and the C part has 3 sentences. From the beginning, the A part plugged in MF, and the B part is 40 louder, and then the C part is softer. Okay, I will begin. The do 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 re do. The 2 do's has vibration. You must strike the string. Don't stop. Don't. I continue to strike the string evenly, quickly. Okay. This mi is an octave softer, and then okay, there is an interval la re. The previous note is the bass re. You can place the 2 finger on the string and plug the middle finger, put the re, and then place the index onto the bass la, and then together. One more, re and softer. This way, the bass re more louder, and then softer. Okay, and then continue. This is also the same like the re. This is also play 2 finger on the string first, and then plug the double bass so, and then the place to the bass re, and then together. Okay, this is the first sentence, and then the second sentence. The re do la, so in your book there is a continuous thumb, but you can change on the just use the separate thumb, or I use the thumb, but don't You can change, but you also follow your book is use the continue. But I feel if you use the continue, there is a little noise. So I wanted to prevent this little noise, and then I change the fingering. Use the La, and then on the middle place, and then softer. Continue. It's also the same. La, re, do, la, and then so. Okay, finish the part A, and then part B. The part B is on the range is on the upper side, on the upper note. The part A is on the lower side, lower range. The B part, the first sentence. The last bit must softer, louder, and then louder, softer, and then louder. And then the second phrase. Okay, finish the B part, and then the C part. C part has 3 phrases. The first phrases is also the same to the part A, almost the same. This is the the first and the second phrase, and then the third phrase is also repeat the second phrase of the last 2 bar, but an octave upper, and then retard. You can also shake this string until the sound finish. Okay, I will use the metronome to use the about the BPM is 69. Sorry, okay, I will try again. my explanation can help you. Bye. See you next time.